What is up, guys? Look at this thing. Just washed it. Looks all pretty. Hope you guys are doing good today. Unfortunately, I have been dealing with a little mishap. Supposed to go drag racing yesterday, but unfortunately it rained, so I didn't have I don't have any content for you guys. So this is what we're gonna do today. I happen to have some carbon pieces by Dyna Performance for my dash. They're all gonna go right here. It's gonna be really pretty. I need to install this, match the red Corbu harnesses. It's looking good, man. I'm really loving how this thing looks right now. Look, I got my whole setup. Tuners over there, GoPros over there. Guess I'll get these pieces out and I'll show y'all what's good. Billy James, hello. Crazy dog. Here are the pieces. Like I said, I accidentally ordered them in red. That's the best view you guys are gonna give them. These are not having justice done to them at all. But they're really pretty. They're not as red as it looks. It's actually pretty carbony, but it's got just a hint of red. I'm gonna try it out. If I don't like it, I can always order a new set, but I make mistakes. I am not perfect whatsoever. I'm gonna clean the dash of the car and probably install 2 big pieces first. I wanna see what that looks like. I didn't read any instructions to install this, so hopefully the old alcohol and piece of paper towel works just fine. So I'm not doing anything else. Oh man, look at that. Clean your interior, people. It is amazing how dirty they get without you noticing. We are gonna focus on this one panel at a time. Not my original plan, but it'll work. So, first panel's right here. Just gonna take this pretty piece. Dude, it's gonna look nice for the most part. Something no one really shows is like a close-up on these, so that's what it's like close up. You're still gonna see some of the dash. I don't know what you can do to remedy that. Also, the chrome kind of looks dumb with it. I completely forgot. Like, I should have taken the chrome out and painted it. I'm just gonna have to work with that though. Set that there right now, just in case if I have to move it again. I'm a little freaked out. That's my airbag one. It does not feel like it's going on well at all, but it is, I think. Oh man, it looks nice on camera. I'm being picky. It does look good. This is as professional as it gets, my friends. I don't know what to tell you. I'm just the best of the best. Look at this. Right on there. That looks pretty cool. That poor camera's not doing it any justice, but yeah, nice looking. It's gonna look good with all of it on, I think. Shot from the inside. Too bad looking. Like I don't mind the stock interior of this, but like I just really want to do something here to make it pop more. I really want to start working on my interior more. Like I have a fire extinguisher, seat, harnesses and ish. Got a shift knob. I'd like to get a shift boot, but like there's nothing really on the market that looks appealing to this car. Like flowers, dude. I don't really want to put flowers on in this bitch. I don't know. My next project is actually going to be installing an aftermarket wheel on here, but me and Burns are going to try and make a bracket for the cruise control because I'll be traveling to see my other car friends, and I don't really feel like driving to them without cruise control because it's pretty much a straight shot on a highway for like 200 miles. So hopefully I can get a bracket made for it and keep running it with an aftermarket wheel. Yeah, man, that chrome is not doing it for me. That's for sure. I'm gonna leave this, a little off. I don't want to fully apply it just yet because it's kind of poking out over this side. I have to make that all work. Next little piece is just that. It's gonna be a smack dab in the middle. So that's a full carbon dash, huh? Not bad. It's not home position, but it goes there nonetheless. Ta-da! Check that out. And the red carbon, man. Something different. Kind of looks brown on camera. I hope it's not coming out brown. Poop brown, bro. Ain't nobody want that on their dash. The chrome's gotta be blacked out. That's for sure. That looks goofy. Like I said, it's a little, it's, for some reason I figure this is gonna be perfect. And let's face it, it's really hard to get this shit perfect. But no biggie. It still lines up all really good. That's honestly not hard to install at all. That probably took me 20, 25, 30 minutes. So all it is a stick-on piece. Just make sure you do clean it off. If you're gonna black out the chrome, do it beforehand. Kind of regretting not taking it off and spraying it. It definitely needs it. Like that looks bad. Chrome and carbon don't match up. Maybe I can wrap it at some point. Well, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I'm sorry guys, it's gonna be a short one. That went much faster than I expected it to. Just a little update. We'll be drifting this car again next weekend, so that video will be out the week after that. I'll let you guys know, keep you in the loop. But that kind of means I won't have a video next week, since the event's on Sunday. So new drift video coming soon. Super excited. I've been practicing a little bit on my transitions, but I've been on my 285s, so like it's kind of a different feel. I should really put my 245s on and practice for next event because I want to give you guys some good content, and I'm just really trying to become good at drifting. I hope you guys like the video. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit me up on my Instagram. It's same thing as my YouTube, Nutty50, 3 T's. And I will see you guys soon. Take it easy.